Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2015 GMC Sierra half-ton SLE equipped with the all-terrain Kodiak and Z71 off-road packages. On the front end of the vehicle we have our 3-in protective film as well as HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. And under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 20-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and tonneau cover. This SLE has a towing capacity up to 9,200 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic 4-wheel drive controls as well as our automatic headlight controls. This SLE is also equipped with heated power adjustable half leather seats and WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.